I've said it before. Of all of the hormones that I work with, whether it's testosterone, estrogen, or thyroid is the one that if I had to choose one, it would be the one I would select because it does so much for your body. And particularly for you guys out there who are trying to see some progress in the gym, it is a metabolic hormone. It really helps enhance your metabolism. That is, it gives you the energy, the ability to focus and concentrate and really get the most out of your everyday activities. And in particular, it can really help you in the gym because it gives you increased energy. It helps you stabilize your metabolism so that the nutrients are ready to be burned so that you can achieve things. So if you're feeling that post-workout crash, sometimes it's because your hormones are not balanced, and one of those hormones could very well be thyroid. A lot of people also have brain fog, depression, lack of motivation. Thyroid as well is very good for this. It's well established in the medical literature to really improve those parameters of your health and wellness. And you know what? If you're really having trouble with muscle cramps and delayed recovery, it's another one of those metabolic hormones that may help you. Now, I'm not at all advocating that you just go out there and start taking it. Thyroid needs to be very carefully monitored, prescribed, and watched for blood levels and symptoms of too many, but it is actually relatively safe. Too many people think that thyroid should be very closely monitored, watching things like the TSH, and that's been shown to be absolutely incorrect. Recent literature, particularly in the endocrinology, a Bible, the Journal of Endocrinology and Metabolism, it says that you really need to monitor clinical symptoms and the levels of the free hormone, the free T3 in the blood in order to really get a good handle. So thyroid is a great hormone for men, particularly when they're trying to see metabolic benefits in the gym, elsewhere. It makes them feel better. It gives them motivation. It actually increases your sex drive and particularly your sexual function. So it's a great all-around hormone. However, it needs to be done professionally, carefully, and with attention to the smallest details. So if you have any questions, please leave us a comment below or give us a call at the office.